Morning, guys. We're here at the Crown Plaza and we're leaving to go get on our ship, the Oasis of the Seas with Royal Caribbean. This is our first cruise with them, so I'm excited to try it out. We did have a big snafu when they let us know they had changed our entire itinerary. So if you haven't seen that video, check that out. So we're going to see what this is like, and trying to keep an open mind and to stay positive, and hopefully it will be a great experience. So we just dropped off. The Uber driver just dropped us off here. It didn't take us too long to get here from our hotel. So we dropped off our luggage. I'm gonna turn my camera around. So we just dropped off our luggage and we're going to get ready to head into the terminal. Our check-in time was at 1 o'clock. It is 12:47. So let's see how long it takes for us to get going with this. So this seems a little bit faster than it has when we went a Princess, but we'll see what we get. This is our first time on Royal Caribbean, so we'll see how long this process takes. So I'll time myself once we get in line. Okay, so there's check-in. Okay, so we're in this area here. I have to turn my camera off because we are getting ready to go through security, but it looks like it's moving fast. They ask you to come at your exact time. So we're a few minutes earlier, but I saw someone in the hotel and they saw you can come earlier. So we'll see, but I'm gonna turn my camera off for now. So what's interesting here is, looks like they're doing a lot of the processing right here after you come out of the security check. You come around the corner and it looks like he's doing all his stuff here. So that's interesting. This is exactly what Royal Caribbean's doing. We'll see. Okay, so we went to that first little section here, and now of course you've got to go to where they want you to take pictures. We usually don't do that anymore because we have about, I don't know, 100 of those pictures. So we're not going to do that. Okay, this is to the ship. Red security at 12:50. It is 12:57 so far. Getting close to getting on. Here we go, guys. Hello. Hi. Thank you. So we are finally on. We started at 12:50. It is 1:01. So 11 minutes total.
We made the bold leap into early retirement, and our channel is all about inspiring you to embrace your golden years while uncovering smart, affordable ways to see the world.
So we're gonna check and see if our room is ready. He said 1:30, so about 25 minutes, but elevators are crowded. We do the serious shit we get on as we walk, because it's a huge line for the elevator, and might as well start this because we try to do the steps most of the cruise. This first day is always hard because we have these big heavy backpacks on. But you can see our room, and I will definitely give you guys a tour of that. So our room looks like it may be ready. Now one of the things they do is they put your car key here on your door. So I think that saves time during check-in. And so we are inside, and I will give you guys a tour of our room, of our cabin. Let's look here in the bathroom first. It's off to the left. And here is the bathroom. It looks pretty spacious. I like the fact that they do not have a shower curtain, and nice floor. You've got the corner sink here, and looks like you've got storage here. Cute little drawer there. Got some shelves down there. And here is the trash can. Looks like another little trash can there. Of course, the toilet. And got a little circular shower. Can't talk. But it seems spacious. I don't know. It seems like you're kind of in a capsule. Tall if you're taller. And you've got the body wash stuff there as well. So, yeah, not bad. I like the fact they don't have the shower curtain. That's huge. You've got hooks over here. And then you also have your places for your towel, which I like that they do have more space for that. And more hooks. I love when they have a lot of hooks. Makes a huge difference when you're trying to hang up stuff in a tight place. Okay, so you come around this way. Oh, even more things, places to hang stuff there. Got another little shelf here. And I guess this is magnet. I forgot my magnets. I have to talk about what you should pack on a cruise. And then places to put things there. And then over here is the closet. With shelves there. So lots of storage in this cabin so far. So hangers and places to hang your stuff there. And then we've got a light here and a little like nightstand shelving there. There's your bed here. This is an interior cabin. Of course, you probably can tell that. Definitely do not have the balcony on this one. Like I said, this is our first Royal Caribbean cruise. Normally, we have not been able to, I did not want to spend the money that Royal is usually charging, but this was a good deal. So hopefully it will be a great cruise for us. Here's another little area here for we put, now one of the things we do, Kevin will talk about in the video, is we buy things ahead of time. So we have some of that. Here's some drawers here for you, some more storage. Here a little desk area here. And of course the mirror. And more storage. So lots of little cabbies and little areas for you to store things. And move our backpack right here. And then you got more little storage there. So little areas tucked away. I guess they use every little bit of room. A nice size sofa. So 2 people can actually sit on it. So this is our home away from home for the next 6 days. It's a 6-day cruise.
So that's a tour of our interior cabin on the Oasis of the Seas. Thanks so much for watching our video today. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel so that you can see future videos about a tour of the ship and our experiences on board. Until next time, take care everyone and safe travels.